Ever wondered how to style a hoodie in a chic way? Hoodies, once relegated to the realm of workout gear or lazy Sunday attire, have now evolved into versatile fashion staples. They can be as much a statement piece as they are a comfort item. Whether it's a classic pullover, a zip-up, or even a cropped version, there's a myriad of ways to style a hoodie, making it suitable for a variety of occasions and seasons. In 2024, the hoodie continues to reign supreme in the world of fashion, finding its place in both casual and high-fashion settings. The key to mastering the art of the hoodie lies in understanding its potential and knowing how to pair it creatively with other items in your wardrobe. So, if you're ready to elevate your hoodie game and transform this cozy garment into a fashion statement, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into how you can transform your hoodie into a fashion statement. Firstly, let's explore how to style a hoodie for a casual and cool look. When it comes to creating a laid-back vibe, hoodies are your best friends. Versatile and easy to pair, they're the perfect go-to piece for a casual ensemble. One of the simplest ways to style your hoodie is to team it with a pair of jeans and sneakers. This combination is a classic that never fails. You have the freedom to play around with colors. You could opt for a hoodie that complements your jeans, or you could create a contrast for a more striking look. For instance, consider pairing a light blue hoodie with dark blue jeans or a black hoodie with white jeans. But that's not all. Accessorizing can be the cherry on the cake for your casual hoodie look. A hat, a scarf, or even a belt can add that extra oomph to your outfit, making it stand out. Picture this: a gray hoodie teamed with ripped black jeans and white sneakers. Throw a black leather jacket into the mix, and you've got yourself an outfit that screams casual chic. Or perhaps a pink hoodie coupled with blue skinny jeans and white Converse, topped off with a denim jacket for a youthful and vibrant look. Or how about a yellow hoodie paired with white boyfriend jeans and black boots, with a plaid shirt tied around the waist for that cool grunge aesthetic? The key to nailing the casual and cool style is to let your creativity loose. Experiment with different combinations, play around with colors, and don't forget to accessorize. Hoodies offer a great canvas for you to express your personal style. Remember, fashion is all about feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin. So whether you're heading out for a coffee run, going for a casual brunch, or just hanging out with friends, a hoodie can be styled to match the vibe perfectly. The casual and cool styling is perfect for a relaxed day out or for a laid-back style statement. Next, we will discuss how to style a hoodie for a sporty and chic look. As we delve into the realm of sporty and chic styling, we see how a hoodie can be transformed into a stylish piece that oozes comfort and sporty elegance. It's all about pairing your favorite hoodie with sporty elements. Think leggings, joggers, athletic shoes. The beauty of this style lies in its versatility and comfort, making it perfect for those days when you're on the go. Consider a simple black hoodie. Now imagine it with a pair of sleek black leggings and crisp white sneakers. Add a pop of color with a red bomber jacket, and you've got yourself an outfit that's both sporty and chic. This ensemble is not only comfortable, but also exudes a cool, laid-back vibe that's perfect for a casual day out or a gym session. But what if you're more of a joggers kind of gal? No worries. Try pairing a soft white hoodie with a pair of comfy gray joggers. Slip on some black slip-on shoes for a touch of chic minimalism. To add some extra warmth and flair, wrap yourself in a cozy blue puffer jacket. This outfit is all about comfort, but it's also stylish and perfect for a relaxed weekend. And let's not forget about those warmer days. For a sporty summer look, choose a vibrant green hoodie and pair it with black shorts. White socks and black sandals keep the outfit casual and comfortable. This look is not only chic but also perfect for a day at the beach or a casual hangout with friends. Sporty and chic styling gives you a comfortable yet stylish look, ideal for a day of activities or a casual outing. With a bit of creativity and a few key pieces, you can turn your favorite hoodie into a stylish outfit that's both sporty and chic. So, go ahead and give these looks a try. You might be surprised at how versatile your favorite hoodie can be. Now, let's discover how to style a hoodie for an edgy and glam look. This style is all about daring to be different and making a statement. The hoodie, once a symbol of casual comfort, can be transformed into a glamorous piece with a bit of creativity and the right accessories. Firstly, consider pairing your hoodie with leather elements. Leather, with its sleek and polished finish, instantly adds an edge to any outfit. Picture a crimson hoodie paired with a black leather miniskirt. Add black ankle boots and a choker to complete this fierce look. The contrast of the soft hoodie and the hard leather creates a striking balance, making you stand out in the crowd. If leather isn't your thing, why not try denim? Denim, while often associated with a casual style, can be dressed up for a more sophisticated look. Imagine a crisp white hoodie underneath a chic denim dress. Pair this with white cowboy boots and a silver necklace, and you have an outfit that's both fun and funky. Lastly, let's not forget about metallics. Metallic pieces can instantly elevate a simple hoodie to a glamorous, party-ready outfit. Picture a deep purple hoodie paired with high-waisted silver metallic pants. Add silver heels and a silver clutch, and you're ready for a night on the town. The metallic elements add a touch of sparkle, making your outfit dazzle and shine. Remember, the key to an edgy and glam look is to experiment and have fun with your style. Don't be afraid to mix and match different elements to create a look that's truly unique. Whether it's a leather skirt, a denim dress, or metallic pants, there are countless ways to style a hoodie for an edgy and glam look. Edgy and glam styling is perfect for a night out, or when you want to make a bold fashion statement. So go ahead, step out of your comfort zone and let your hoodie be the star of your outfit. Finally, we will explore how to style a hoodie for a cozy and cute look. When it comes to keeping it cozy, a hoodie is your best friend. Pair it with soft and warm elements like knit, fleece, or faux fur pieces, and you've got yourself a winning outfit that's not only comfortable but also incredibly stylish. Imagine the coziness of a soft knit sweater, cardigan, or vest paired with your favorite hoodie. Add in a pair of comfy boots or flats, and you've got yourself a warm and cozy look that's perfect for those chilly days. Think of a beige hoodie with a matching knit sweater, combined with beige jeans and boots. Now that's a look that screams comfort and style. If you're looking for something even softer, try pairing your hoodie with a fleece jacket, coat, or even a poncho. Add some slippers or moccasins to the mix for an extra touch of snugness. Picture a navy hoodie with a matching fleece coat, coupled with navy leggings and slippers. This snug and soft look is perfect for those lazy days when all you want to do is curl up with a good book. But what if you want to take the coziness to the next level? That's where faux fur comes in. Pair your hoodie with a faux fur jacket, coat, or scarf, and complete the look with some gloves or mittens. Imagine a brown hoodie with a matching brown faux fur jacket, corduroy pants, and gloves. Now that's a fluffy and fuzzy look that's not only cozy but also incredibly stylish. Cozy and cute styling with a hoodie isn't just about comfort, it's about creating a look that's both stylish and snuggly. So next time you're looking for a way to stay warm and fashionable, don't forget about your trusty hoodie. It's not just a piece of loungewear, it's a versatile fashion staple that can be styled in countless ways. Cozy and cute styling is perfect for a chilly day, or when you want a snug and comfortable look. So, there you have it. We've journeyed together through the world of hoodies, discovering the plethora of ways to style this versatile piece. From the casual and cool vibes of pairing your favorite hoodie with jeans and sneakers, to the sporty and chic look achieved by mixing it with athletic wear. We've explored the edge and glam that comes with teaming a hoodie with leather, denim, or metallic pieces, and felt the cozy comfort of matching it with knit, fleece, or faux fur items. Hoodies have truly proved themselves as not just a staple for comfort, but also a fashion item that can be adapted to any style or occasion. Whether it's a classic pullover, a zip-up, or a cropped hoodie, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the best way to style your hoodie is the way that makes you feel confident and fabulous. Happy styling! We hope you've enjoyed our guide on how to style a hoodie in a chic way. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below about your favorite hoodie styles, or what other fashion tips you'd like us to cover in future videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest fashion tips and style guides. Thank you for watching. Stay stylish, and remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself, so don't be afraid to try something new. Happy styling! In the world of fashion, trends are ever-changing, styles are continually evolving, and the quest to look your best never ends. And that's why we're here, to guide you through the labyrinth of fashion. If you found value in our video, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Your feedback is our lifeline, so don't hesitate to drop a comment below. What fashion tips or trends would you like us to delve into next? Your suggestions drive our content, making this not just our channel, but your channel. Let's make fashion accessible to everyone, one video at a time. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and join our fashion-forward community. Together, we can take the fashion world by storm. Remember, style is a way to say who you are without having to speak. So let your style do the talking. Until next time, stay chic, stay fabulous, and as always, keep it stylish.